Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. The tea ceremony tradition in Japan has a very deep meaning in life and a teaching of good karma in addition to the money benefits of this ceremony in the health sector. The following is a traditional Japanese tea ceremony. With a history spanning more than 1,000 years, the tea ceremony has become an important part of Japanese culture. The tea ceremony is a hereditary cultural tradition that has been carried out in Japan since before the Edo period. This tea ceremony is still preserved today. The tea ceremony in Japan has a very deep meaning of life and a teaching of good karma in addition to the money benefits of this ceremony in the health sector. The tea ceremony, Sado, Chado, tea street is a traditional Japanese ritual of serving tea to guests. In ancient times it was called Chato or Chanoyu. The tea ceremony held outdoor is called Anodate. In general, the tea ceremony uses matcha powder tea while is made from vanilla ground tea. The tea ceremony using matcha is called machado, while when using sencha green tea it is called senchado. Tea drink was introduced in Japan in the 7th century by a Buddhist monk from China. From there, tea began to be known by Japanese citizens and began to become Japanese culture. At first in China the habit of drinking tea at first only as a treatment, and over time tea is also enjoyed as a pleasant drink. In the early 7th century, a Chinese writer, Lu Yu wrote an account of the culture of drinking tea and the steps of preparation for drinking tea. Lu Yu's life was heavily influenced by Buddhism, especially from the school that came to be known in Japan as Zen. His ideas had a strong influence on the development of this tea ceremony in Japan. In the 12th century, a new type of tea, matcha, was introduced. This tea made from green tea powder was first used in religious rituals in Buddhist monasteries. In the 12th century, samurais began to drink this tea, and the basics of the tea ceremony began to be made. By the 16th century, this tea drinking tradition had spread to all walks of life in Japan. In a tea ceremony, tea is specially prepared by a person who is steeped in the art of the tea ceremony and is enjoyed by a group of guests in a special tea room called a chashitsu. To become a Chanoyu expert, one must have in-depth knowledge of the types of tea, kimono, Japanese calligraphy, ikebana, and various other traditional knowledge. The host is also responsible for preparing pleasant situations for guests such as choosing wall paintings, kakejiku, flowers, chabana, and ceramic bowls according to the season and status of the invited guests. Tea drinking events are usually done at home. There are special types of tea rooms, tea houses and event tea afternoon dinners outside the room. Even though it seems very simple, the host will prepare everything needed neatly and very perfectly including the way of presentation such as hand movements from the first time to mix the drinks until the end of the banquet. Before the event starts, guests can wait in the waiting room until the host has done all the preparations. Furthermore, the guest will be asked to walk in the roji while is symbolically an effort to clean oneself from dirt outside the house. Guests are asked to wash their hands and mouth using water flowing from the stone basin. Next the host will receive the guests into the main banquet hall through a short main door, forcing guests to bow before entering the room and after. The tea ceremony can be started by starting with the cleaning and preparation of equipment, starting from taking bowls, tea spoons and other supporting equipment. The utensils that are usually used include okama, water heater, mizusashi, clean water container for ocha koboshi, a container for washing usti, onatsume, glass holder for ocha, ocha shaku, ocha for sado, chasen. A tool for stirring tea, hishaku, a ladle sensu, a fan kaisi, a place for okasi, food for drinking tea, kasikiri, a cookie cutter ojiku, calligraphy, ikebana, a flower arrangement. The sitting position during the tea ceremony is carried out with a straight chest and legs folded back. Then the Chanoyu master will begin to prepare the tea and pass the cups one by one to the guests. Male guests will be given cups with simple shapes and color, while female guests will be given special cups painted with wildflowers in the forest. Next, each invited guest is asked to place the cup in the palm of the left hand. Then the right hand rotates the cup 180 degrees in 3 rounds so that the flower image will be seen facing the front right on the female guest's face. This is done so that host can know that their guests really enjoy the tea served. If you forget to do so, you will be considered rude and this call offend the host. Out of respect for the host, when the tea is finished, the guest must maintain a polite posture but make a gentle sound as if sipping hot tea. This is done so that the host knows that guests really like enjoying the tea provided. Then we pay the cup with your right hand. When you want to return it to the host, turn the cup one more time counterclockwise. The tea ceremony in Japan has a lot of meaning in life. Every procession in the tea ceremony in Japan contains every meaning. The procession of mutual respect between guests and receptionist means mutual respect and everyone must respect guests. The procession of giving sweet cakes or okasi wife must be spent by guests is a form of appreciation from the host to welcome a guest, and guests who get okasi cakes must spend it as gratitude for the gift of guests as well as a form of respect. When the tea master makes tea, every movement is done very carefully and patiently and shall not be rushed. This means that one must do something carefully and patiently. Drinking tea cannot be arbitrary. The tea bowl served is placed with great care because the serving must ensure that the best motive of the tea bowl is facing the guest. Since that is the best side, it is also impolite for guests to drink directly from that side. So tea drinkers also have to rotate the tea bowl so that the motive is facing the master. House as a sign of gratitude and respect. That the tea ceremony is sacred in nature. It also illustrates that, what is important is not when the tea is inhaled but how the process is made. In the process of making tea and then serving it with graceful natural rules, it makes us remember self, remember nature, remember the journey of life, remember where we came from and where we went. Harmony, balance is a way of life, why every time must be cared for, arranged, trained in a graceful process. Fine, no rush. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.